Do your mower wheels do this? So today I'm going to show you how to fix these wheels for yourself, cheap, and you don't have to buy a whole new mower. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, we can see the wheel's pretty worn out, and you're going to need to know what size the replacement wheel is. One way to do that is to measure it. These were 8-inch wheels. They're coming up a little short than that right now because they're, as you can see, pretty bald. Or you can remove the wheel and take it with you to your local Lowe's or hardware store, and they should have some just generic spare wheels in stock. I like to do that so I know that the shaft size in the center is the same. So on this particular mower, which is a Troy built with a Honda mower or a Honda engine, this one needs a 9/16 socket or a wrench. You can get the nut off there with either one. And we're going to take this to the store and match it up. Alright, set your nut aside. Don't lose it. Lift up on the mower and pull it off a little bit. You can see the inside's really chewed up. And it's really loose on the shaft. We'll clean that shaft up with some sandpaper or emery cloth before we put the new wheel on. Alright, so back from the store. This is what they had for, I said it was good for Craftsman, Honda, Troy built. Lots of different makes. The inner diameter of that looked pretty similar. It's hard to see on camera, but you can match it up. And just the overall size, the diameter was the same, so that's why we're going with this one. And we'll see if it fits. Alright, so just pick the mower up a little bit. Slide it on. There we go. Fits. It doesn't quite go all the way onto the shaft, so we're going to have to clean this up a little bit. And then we'll put a little grease on it. You can use emery cloth like this, sandpaper, or a wire wheel. Then get yourself a tub of grease. And just put it on there. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so we have our axle greased here. Now we're gonna pop this guy on. And you know what? I don't think I need that washer, because this is a washer nut. And I don't want to crush the wheel. I want this to stop right there. Yes. You want it to free spin like this. So if you put this back on and you tighten this nut too much, where you have these washers in there, like this, that's tight. and it still free spins, that's where you want to be. You don't want to have this washer in here, because then it'll start to crush the plastic and you won't have a good time. All right, I'm gonna do the other side and then we'll see how it looks. So I'm just thinking about this as I'm opening it. These come with the extra washers. They also have these offset plastic washers, which depending on your application you might need or you might not. On mine, I don't need those. So we're just gonna set all that aside and toss this on. It up. It's good. No more wobble. That's great. All right. Just to review, it was a 9/16 nut on these, and this was a Troy built with a Honda motor on it. This is a very old mower, but I just like to keep it going. Don't want to have to buy another one just yet, so I'm happy to throw some parts at it here and there. These were $14 a piece, $13 or $14 a piece at my local Lowe's. So your prices may vary. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.